Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video we are going to discuss about an interesting AI tool. So where you can ask anything to that AI chatbot, and also you can upload the documents whatever you want related with your research, and then you can ask any questions you want. So especially this AI tool will be very useful for your literature review or to analyze any your references for your technical excellence. So you can ask any questions you want. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on research paper writing using ChatGPT and AI tool. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools which will be useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to explore different types of research prompts in ChatGPT and how to bring out better content out of ChatGPT for research paper writing. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. So this is the dashboard of this docbot art. So in this, in order to explore this chatbot, so first I have asked about a common question that explain about renewable energy. So here you can see this is how the answer will be generated for that particular input prompt we have given. So renewable energy refers to the energy sources that are naturally replaced on a human time scale and are considered environmentally friendly due to their sustainable nature. These sources include solar, wind, hydroelectric, biomass and geothermal energy. So like that it will give a detailed explanation of each section of the paper also. So here you can see each section of the content. So solar energy, wind energy, hydroelectric power, biomass, etc. So this is how the content is generated by using input prompt. So here you will be having an option called chat. So apart from this you will be having an option called knowledge. So here you can give any input you want. So here for just I have uploaded a paper. So like that you can add any paper to add knowledge in this particular docbot, and you can create your own that is chatbot also. So from that databases you can ask any questions you want. Accordingly it will generate answer for you. So this is how you can use this docbot.art. So in order to explore even better, so what I am going to do is I am going to take a random reference paper. So for example I am going to take this reference paper. So in this reference paper, so I am going to copy any 5 different literature review. So copy that. So in this you can paste that literature, that is references, and give from the above references please generate a literature review. So let us see how it will works out. So here this is how your literature review will be generated. So here you can see that engineering optimization problem, that is it's a book, I think so. Here yes, it's a book. So here you can see from it, the inference from the book is generated. So and every references individually will be generated with its own that is literature review. So 5 references we have added, and that 5 references, the detailed literature review for the 5 references is generated here. So here you can see in order to cross check this one. So this is the 5th references. Author is Wang 𝐻. So it's a title on dynamic voltage security constraint optimal coordinated voltage control using enhanced particle swarm optimization. So here you can see the 5th how it will be generated. So Wang 𝐻 focus on dynamic voltage security in their paper on optimal coordinated voltage control using enhanced particle swarm optimization. Published details. So employing advanced particle swarm optimization techniques to manage voltage profiles effectively. So this research is significant as it enhances the safety and efficiency of power generation, which is crucial for meeting growing demands and ensuring system integrity. So this is how you can get the literature review in seconds using this docbot art. So you can make use of this option, or else you can create your own knowledge database. From that you can make it as a chatbot, and you can use this tenfold also. So this is how you can generate content using this chatbot. So hope this video will be very helpful for you to generate content as like ChatGPT. So here you can see So for enterprise, so for unlimited use, it's $14 per month. Doc as many documents as you can find. Next one is enterprise. So in this enterprise, it's $800 per month, unlimited use, customization with company logos and docs, priority feature request and author integration. So this is for company. So go on and explore this doc art for free. So you can use this doc art for free. So if you want upload and you want to create a database for your own chatbot, so you have to go for subscription option. Apart from this, you can use it as a normal chatbot. By giving an input prompt, it will generate answer for you. So hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.